All right, so if you ever use water floss, this is a perfect device because they give you multiple things. And if you ever go to a dentist, this is the same exact tool that they use. Now, my recommendation is use clean water. Don't use tap water because if you use, when I'm saying clean water, filter water, right? Tap water is going to create calcium. Make sure you get filter water and it's going to last forever. Always use filter water. Rinse it out prior to using it. Rinse all these things out. They collect dust, and then shipping, they give you details on every single floss that you have because they're all different sizes. And in fact, I'm going to open one of them that I'm going to use. This is mostly to concentrate in certain areas. Like if you have a bridge, this is a perfect thing, like a food or any kind of debris that you're eating or apples or anything. It gets stuck in certain area. This actually pushes the actual debris out. I always use this before and after I brush. So before, I tend to, rinse myself with this. It's very strong if you concentrate on certain areas. And then after, I start brushing my teeth, and at the end, I like to finish it out with these kind of items. Now, when you're setting this up, there cannot be any gaps, and they even give you a little picture and demonstration here. You have to hold the button to release it, of course, and then no gaps. That's it. That's pretty much it. And you don't have to twist or anything. It just goes straight down. It tells you right here to release it. And of course, there's a power connection here where you have to actually plug it in. And this is not submergible, all right? So don't get it underwater, but it's waterproof enough where you actually could be using it in your faucet and any kind of water that's splashing. Now, they have different modes in here, clean, and then they have here massage and jet. Jet is pretty much the strongest one that they have. We're going to test it on a cup and show you guys how strong this thing is, all right? All right, you guys can see I have it set up in here. And we're going to test it out, all right? I'm going to show you guys the power of it. So you hold on the button. Look at this. That's one mode. That's one mode that you're looking at. And then this one. Slower. When you turn it on, make sure you have it in your mouth because sometimes it just goes. That's the jet one I have, and that's actually the thing I use for my teeth, especially under the bridge. Simple, out of the box, ready to go. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.